Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omoyega Oluwatosin, and if this is your first time or stopping by, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that once I upload a new video, you will be among the first person to get the notification. On the channel today, I'm going to show you how to cut and sew a menswear sleeve. I mean the short sleeve of a senator wear. And if this is a video you are interested in, please keep on watching. And these are the measurements you'll be needing for this tutorial. The first thing you have to do is to draft your armhole, and this is how it should look like. After drafting the armhole, you want to take your tape rule and take the round armhole measurements. After taking the round armhole measurements, what I have is 19 inches. So we are going to set the 19 inches aside and fold our fabric. The width of the fold should be 19 inches divided by 2 minus half an inch. So that's what I folded here. After you have folded the width of your fabric of your sleeve that you want to use to make the sleeve, the next thing you want to do, you want to mark the length of your sleeve. Because I'm going to add a curve to the hem of this sleeve, I'm going to minus the curve amount that I'll be using and take the rest as my sleeve length. So now I have 13 inches, and I'm going to mark 1 inch for seam allowance. The first half an inch will be used to sew the curve to the sleeve, and the second half an inch will be used to sew the sleeve to the senator top. That's why we added 1 inch to the sleeve. Next, you want to take your ruler or your pattern master to draw a straight line along the hem of the sleeve. So after drawing the hem of the sleeve, the next thing you want to do from here, you want to measure the cap height. You call it the cap height. I use 5, that's constant. You can use 5.5 inches, but for me I always use 5 inches. So from that 5 inches mark point, I'm going to curve it into the center front of the sleeve. You curve it towards the top edge like so. You can see what we have here. I'm just trying to curve it. Don't make the curve too obvious, because you don't want to have ease around the sleeve. So once you are done drawing the curve, after drawing your cap height or the part that you want to stitch to the armhole, the next thing you want to do, you want to take your half of your upper arm measurement and add 1 inch seam allowance at the hem and connect it to the cap height or bicep line. You call it cap height or the bicep line now. So our sleeve is ready, but it is not completed because you want to indicate the front of the sleeve from the back of the sleeve. Once I am done cutting it out, I'm going to indicate the front from the back of the sleeve. Now you're going to measure your round armhole, and you're going to come in half an inch from the midpoint. So I've done that. That is half an inch. You can see I'm just trying to measure my round armhole to get half of it, and that is where the half of it is. So you're going to mark half inches. Remember that the front armhole is more shallow than the back armhole, so you are going to deepen the curve a little and connect it to the bicep line or the cap height line. And now you're going to trim that part of this. Is going to be for the front part of the sleeve. And this is how to cut the sleeve of a senator wear or a male buba. And if you like this video, please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms, and have a nice day. Bye.